Hi everyone, welcome back. So, right now I am filming from my bedroom window, and this is what a sunny afternoon at 2 p.m. looks like in Uganda. So, today I am not taking you anywhere fancy, just outside the house, around the house, looking at the plants. So, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon when the sun has officially clocked in for overtime. It's bright, warm, and somehow every plant out here looks like it knows it's being admired. I don't know what magic plants are using, but look at them standing there, thriving, photosynthesizing like they pay the electricity bill around here. Take a look around. Everywhere you turn, it's green, green, and even more green. If someone dropped me here with no memory, I'd probably assume I was living inside a botanical garden. So beautiful. Look at all those beautiful leaves. Oh my god. Sometimes we have a lot going on in our lives that we forget to look around and just admire the nature. Look at those beautiful flowers. Oh my god. I don't know what they're called, but I know they're beautiful, and my aunt loves them a lot. She keeps planting flowers around. So beautiful. We have a garden guy called Bunny, and he does a good job. And then we have these two umbrella trees. Now, despite their name, they have never protected me from the rain. Very disappointing customer service, honestly. But they do make the yard feel peaceful. They're like the quiet bodyguards of the garden, just standing there all day, looking majestic. Now it's time to visit someone very important. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
Hey, Speedy.
Speedy's luxury resort.
There they are.
This little bush right here is his favorite hideout.
Hi.
5 stars, excellent shade, wonderful privacy, zero rent.
Oops. What have I
If you're
touched?
wondering where Speedy is, he's probably inside taking yet another nap. Honestly, being a cat must be amazing. Sleep, wake up, stretch dramatically, eat, judge everyone, repeat. What a life! We have a guy called Bunny. Bunny does a very great job taking care of these plants, flowers, and the front yard. Bless his heart. So much green. Beautiful. And just over there, this is where our neighborhood monkeys like to hold their daily meetings. If you've watched my previous videos, you've probably seen them hanging out in this exact spot. Apparently, they've signed a long-term lease.
Don't afternoon
I guess
anymore. It's now evening.
today they've either taken the day off or avoiding the paparazzi, which is me. So right now it's 6 p.m. You can see the sun setting. Oh, look at this little girl. That's probably her sibling. Reminds me of my younger self. No matter how many sunsets I see, they never get old. Each one feels like a completely new painting, and somehow the ending is always worth waiting for. Thank you so much for watching.